Hi everyone. Here we're about to start our last lecture into electrical power. So far we've talked about series circuits and parallel circuits. And now we're going to do something that's kind of related to both of those, depending on how you look at it. We're going to talk about electrical power. Voltage, by definition, is just another type of energy. Current is based upon time. We've talked about energy over time, and that's power. So electrical power puts these two things together. This right here is the last equation for our chapter. P equals VI or IV. P stands for power, as you guys may remember, W or watts. I stands for the current, and V stands for the voltage. A 120 volts produced by the wall outlets power an 8-watt cell phone. How much current is there? Well, okay, we start with the givens. The power is 8 watts. The voltage is 120. Okay? And they're looking for the current. So P equals VI. And in this case, the current will equal, sorry, I just got to reach my calculator here. 0.06 amps. That's it. Not too hard. Now, how does this actually relate to us in school? Well, most typical bedrooms that you guys have in your house, they can have up to 12 amps, 12 to 15 amps, depending on your house, of current in any given time. So with that being said, if we can get 12 amps max, and each cell phone is 0.06 amps, that means that in your particular room, before you guys have too much electricity in your room to shut off the power, that means we can have 200 cell phones. We could have 200 cell phone chargers charging in your bedroom at once without blowing a fuse. Now, generally, things that are plugged into your bedroom are about 8 watts. But things like the vacuum cleaner, those can be about 150, which is significantly bigger than a particular cell phone charger. Any kind of curling iron or iron for your hair or straightener, all the things that produce heat produces major amounts of current. We're talking 5-6 amps or so. So if you're only allowed 12 amps in your bedroom, and you guys have appliances that are 5-6 amps at a given time, you may notice when you turn them on, sometimes the lights in your room get dim because you're about to blow a fuse and you guys get really close to the limit there. So this is how power relates to us in the real world.